This is a tutorial for how to set up the Wi-Fi button camera. So first thing is first, let me explain how this works. The camera needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi. So in order for live stream to work, it needs to have internet access. So the camera alone cannot work. You will need to have the router or your phone hotspot, but we recommend you use our router. That way you have stable and secure connection. So first things first, let's set up the router. That's the first thing you need to do. So just follow step by step in order to get these things working. Do not mix the steps. So leave the camera disconnected. So turn off the camera and let's set up the router first. Okay, so we open this. Here it is the SIM slot. So you can open it like this, push it down and open. And you can put the SIM card. You will need adapter like this, right? So let's put the SIM card inside. Face it like this. So this part, it goes here. And pull this down. So we have the SIM card inside now. Put the battery inside, back. And that's all. Now, important thing, the SIM card needs to have data plan, needs to have internet access, and it cannot have PIN, so it needs to be like unlocked SIM card. So turn it on, press 3 seconds, so you will see welcome screen. Now we need to wait for the router to boot. It's gonna take some time, but let's do it step by step so we don't miss something. So just wait for it. Okay, now it's booting still. I will explain all of the options that you need to have. So it takes some time, but let's give it. Okay, now it's still, you see, okay. So now the X here was a little bit X, so it's gone. We have 4G connection, that is important. We need to have 4G connection here and no X mark here. So if you have screen like this, you should be good. Here is the name of the router and here is the password. So let's leave the router now here. We have it set it up. So we can now connect camera. So first thing, you push the battery here like this. You cannot put it on the wrong side. Nope. Okay, so you push the camera and it should be switch on automatically already. If not, you can switch this to on. So it's on. Now the camera is blinking a little bit. We need to wait for the camera to boot also. What you need to do now is go to your Wi-Fi settings of your phone. So go to the Wi-Fi and then look for the camera. The camera should be like this, TUT and then some number. So connect here and click connect. Now just wait for connection first. Now we are connected. And then go to Look Cam Pro app. This app you will need to download first. We will give you the link on the page or on this video for Android or iOS. So it looks like a green. So this is the app you need. So you can click app device or just click cancel here. Now you will get camera here automatically. In case you do not see camera automatically, you need to make sure you are connected to your camera. So it should pop up here automatically. In case you do not see it automatically, you can click plus and then just click whatever here, mode 2, and click this, and then you can scan the QR code and click sure. So That's how you see the camera. So we click on the camera now and we see it is online. We see it's working, okay? Now, the camera is connected to our phone. So no one else beside the phone and the camera can see the stream. Now, for your friends or for you, whatever reason, you want to stream this live view to someone, we will need to transfer camera connection to the router. So we need to connect camera to router. So let's do this now. Now we go to this settings wheel button. We click here. Then we select Wi-Fi. And now we need to look for the router name. So our router name is, let's open it. Oh, okay. So the router name is LTE1765, okay? And this is the password, 123456778. So now we are connecting camera to this router in order for your friend to see your connection. So you need to find the router first. Now you put the password. One, two, three, four, five, six, eight. Okay, sure. Now you will see the camera is rebooting. Now we are transferring connection to the router. Okay, and let's see if now we see on the router there is one device connected. I'm not sure you can see it, but let's yeah, now you see number one. Okay, so the camera is now connected to our router. Now you should be here maybe offline or something. What you can do is click here and delete device, and let's refresh the app. Sure. So now this device is connected to the router. So in order for your friend or for someone to see the live stream, they will need to download the Look Cam Pro app, and then just click plus and select mode 2 and click here to scan the QR code. So we scan the QR code, click sure, and now it's gonna be connecting. You will need to give it some time. Okay, now we are online. We are online now. So let's see. Yeah, everything is working. So you see, and I can show you I'm connected to a totally different network. So I'm connected to another router, and that's it. So just follow the steps. Do not mix the steps. Do not turn the camera on before the router. So the most important thing is to turn the router on first. After you set up everything and you want to try to connect it again, make sure the router is on and you have the router running, because if you turn the camera on first, it's not gonna connect to the router. So just follow step by step as we show you here, and you should get it running. In case sometimes the app can block, you just open and reopen it again. So for example, sometimes it's gonna be like this, but everything should be fine now. So one more time. Turn on the router, make sure the router is on, then turn the camera, and then you're good to go. And your friend can just scan this code. You can send them photo, or you can send them this ID as well. And that's how you do it. In case you get stuck, you just click restart button. In case you get stuck, now it's gonna take some time. and you can do it all over again. So again, you can delete here, and again you need to do it manually. Connect again to the camera and then transfer it to your Wi-Fi. So in the first step, you just need phone to make transfer. After that, you don't need to use your phone at all. The camera, it's using only the router. So I hope this is clear, and I hope if you follow the step by step, you will be able to do it without any issues. Thank you.